When you're in contract to buy a house, there's a price on the contract, but then there's also an appraised value. And a lot of times the contract and the appraised value are different. So what are those differences there for? And how does that impact you? Well, simply put, the contract price is the price that you and the person you're buying the home from agree to sell this house, to buy this house, to transact. That's the amount that you guys are agreeing upon. And a really good realtor can help you determine if that price is good or bad or whatever. So make sure you're hiring a great realtor to help you to make sure you don't get taken advantage of that. But the appraised value isn't necessarily for you. It's more for the lender. So if you're getting a loan, the lender wants to make sure that the loan that they're putting on the house is going to be at the right percentage of the home's actual value. That's right. The contract price and the appraised value are two different things, because the lender believes the appraised value is the actual value and the contract price is the price that just you and the seller agree to pay for. So there's a couple of things that impact an appraised value. The biggest one is comparable sales. What are homes that are similar to that home selling for in or around your area? Typically, it's like a 1 mile radius, or even with a 1 mile radius, it can be something, similar square footage, likeness in the build, year built, and even some of the amenities. Sometimes amenities can impact the appraised value, such as, is it on a golf course lot, or what does the HOA include? Pro tip, amenities do not impact the appraised value as much as you would think. Amenities typically will impact a contract price more than an appraised value, but an appraiser is not going to say, oh, this is on a golf course, this means it's worth way, way, way more. Improvements, they also impact an appraised value. I mean, if they're comparing that home that you're in contract on versus the home that is a comparable sale, if one is highly improved and the other isn't, that will impact the appraised value. But again, pro tip, the super duper amazing granite, countertops and updated completely kitchen, those things are not going to impact an appraised value as much as you would think. It might be a house that you're more apt to buy, one that has more improvements, but if you are a homeowner now and you think, oh man, I want to sell, that means I really have to add all these things, and that's going to dramatically increase the appraised value. It's not going to dramatically increase it. What does dramatically increase, and this is a big thing for appraised value, is the square footage. So if you're trying to increase the appraised value or even the contract price on a home you own, an improvement that would be helpful is increasing the square footage. So we have done a blog on this, which is on moneywellrooted.com. Click the blog. It's the top one, or you can scroll down to the bottom. But the blog, what's the name of it? We have what's the difference between a contract price and appraised value. There's a whole bunch of little details and pro tips and warnings and things that you need to look out for. So if you're a homeowner and you're considering improvements, or you're trying to figure out maybe if I should sell, what that would look like, or if you're looking to buy a house and you want to get better educated on a contract price, or you're looking to get better educated on what an appraised value is, check out this blog, moneywellrooted.com/blog, and it's what's the difference between a contract price and appraised value, or it's also at the bottom of the homepage. Hope you guys have a great week.